The EMA 50 is currently at 0.001 and isn't too noticeable. The 0.00074695 support level for the US dollar is a strong area, but the R1 level at 0.009690 goes against what most people think. Bears have a lot of power over magic and other things that are happening now. July 20th, 2023. In this video, we'll show you how to basically spell in every practical way the token cost exam for now or for really 1 week from now, and we'll try especially hard to answer these frequently asked questions about some important facts. In every practical way, what is usually a very short-term cost assumption for a spell token is really a very good investment in a very big way. So they thought, spells were mostly about showing amounts of help and trouble and so on. However, before getting too deep into spell-specific research, we thought it would be a good idea to talk about the economy, which is a very important topic. Market research over the last 24 hours showed a loss of 1.84%, bringing the total digital currency market to $1,190,985,483,416. The total trading volume is still $31.315 million, $169,849, which shows that the EMA 50 is at 0.001 right now. Bitcoin has 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum has 16.33%. This shows how important token support and resistance levels are, which drove Bitcoin's BN up. These events show that the market is definitely heading in a very downward direction for the near future. Right now, there is a big drop across the crypto market. Symbolic support and resistance are important technical markers that are used to find key price levels where the trend can go. Spell genuinely token help and obstruction backing and position generally or significant specialized pointers use to recognize sort of key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in an unpretentious manner. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers especially become sort of more truly dynamic and especially prevent the coin's costs from falling any further, exhibiting that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum really has seen a value reduction of 0.24 coming to 1882.48 during the past 24 hours. Extremely further appearance how bears control spells in every practical sense current cost activities and an exceptionally huge way. Similarly, opposition in a real sense is a level at which vendors really become commonly dynamic and basically prevent the coin as cost from moving higher. Sort of additional appearance how which truly brought about Bitcoin as cost dropping down to 30,584.92 level after a decay of 0.29, which sort of is genuinely critical. Following fundamentally or the help and obstruction levels of fundamentally spell certainly token spell certainly token execution. The cost of most certainly spell kind of token spell in every way that really matters is at 0.000869994 down 1.69 and the beyond 24 hours and basically has a value change of 6.06 over the course of the week, showing how spell United States dollar by and large is faced with opposition level of R1 at 0.009690, which most certainly is very critical one. Days trading volume for BTC is 7,682,709.00 US dollars, while the total market cap is 89,992,626 US dollars, or so they thought. There are nearly 678, mostly available for use out of 103,214,939,480, which shows that the EMA 50 is currently at 0.001 and in a very significant way. EMAs, all things considered, looked at how spell tokens might change in the future. The results show that especially spelled help and opposition token and especially spelled help and opposition token are important special markers that show where the pattern can happen at key cost levels. The R pointer is usually at 54.378 for the 14-day period, which shows that the condition is fair. Contrary to what most people think, the spell US dollar moving kind of normal union and uniqueness is kind of possible right now in a real way. Apple CD pointer. As the BTC price gets ready for a bull market in 2023, traders say, get ready. Bitcoin. Traders who are watching two key trend lines say that the market is getting ready for its next bull run in a classic way. Mustache and Titan of Crypto, two well-known traders, recently looked at social media and found that the BTC price was about to break out. The bull market line for Bitcoin looks for a classic crossover. Titan of Crypto says that Bitcoin's price cycles are very similar to those of the past, and that the time is almost right for a bullish rise. By uploading past price data, he drew attention to the 21-week simple moving average, SMA, which is currently at $27,900, according to Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView. Once this upward-sloping trend line goes above the spot price range, a long period of rising prices follows. This is why the 21-week simple moving average is called the bull market line. Titan of Crypto said that what was happening was a bull market kickoff. Once the weekly 21 MA crosses over the BTC market structure, it will kick off the bull market, he said. 4 years ago, in early 2019, Bitcoin had its last MA cross. This happened at the same point in the previous cycle as the price move today. This caused the area high for that year to be close to $14,000. The COVID-19 cross-market crash in March 2020 briefly broke the cross. Titan of Crypto calls this event a black swan. Imagine being bearish about Bitcoin above $28,600, said a trader. Another trend line to watch is the 20-month SMA, which looks at longer time frames. Mustache points out that this has happened before every Bitcoin bull market. When a monthly candle closes above the 20-month SMA, every candle that follows closes above it until the cycle high. Here, too, March 2020 is a short-term exception to the rule. Imagine being bearish while $BTC stays above the 20-day simple moving average, Mustache said. Once Bitcoin has closed above it, it has never fallen below it again until the cycle top. This is how it was from 2016 to 2018 and from 2019 to 2021. According to Cointelegraph, the 200-week simple moving average, SMA, and other daily and weekly trend lines have been acting as a line in the sand during Bitcoin's recent bear market. This article does not give any tips or suggestions about investments. Every investment and trading move has a risk, and readers should do their own study before making a choice.